I heard about pop-on veneers from a commercial that it just popped up on the screen. And I said, okay, maybe I should try that. And the reason I would choose it is because of the, see here, the little gap there. And I was like, no, let me go ahead and try it. So I did try it and I loved it. See, you can just pop them on. Let me show you. It comes in this nice little kit, little container. And these are the bottom. And these are the top here. And I just love it, love it, love, love, love. But you should choose it. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Pop on Veneers. I love it, love it. Thank you so much. Yes.